Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a cursor freezes, jumps or disappears in Windows operating system. So if you are facing these problems related with your cursor, on this video we are going to cover 4 solutions for all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system versions. So now let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1, click your search icon here and type device manager. So here the device manager, then open the device manager. Then after that, find for mice and other pointing here. So after that, click on here the drop down arrow and click the driver that you find there and right click on it and select update driver. Maybe an outdated mouse driver can cause such problems. So select here, search automatically for driver, this one. So after that, it says the base driver for your device are already installed. Then close this and close your device manager and check whether your cursor problems are solved or not. If the problem is still occurring, then the second solution will be uninstalling your mouse driver and also reinstalling back. So to do that, again we are going to click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager. After that, again we go here to the mice and other pointing option, then click here the drop down arrow and select here the your mouse driver, right click on it and select uninstall device. Then after that, click here warning you are about to install this device from your computer. So after you get this, click uninstall and restart your computer. But one thing you should have to know is your mouse will stop working after you click this uninstall because the driver is already uninstalled. Don't worry, after you restart your computer, it will automatically reinstall it back on your computer. So click the power button and it will reinstall it back and it will solve the problem related with your cursor. After the restart, if the computer is still facing the same problem related with your cursor, then the third solution would be open your search bar here and type control panel. Here the control panel, then open your control panel and you will find the different options on your control panel. If you cannot find it like this, just go here view by and select here large icons, then you will find here options. So find for mouse option and open the mouse category, and under the mouse category you will find here different lists, button, pointers and pointer options. So open for pointer options and under the pointer options uncheck this enhanced pointer precision. So maybe this option also makes your cursor to freeze, jump and disappear. So uncheck this one and click here apply and select here OK and close your control panel and check whether the cursor problem is solved or not. If the problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video is we are going to disable the disappearance feature. So in order to do that, again click here the search icon and open the control panel. So here the control panel, then open it, then again click here under the mouse option and click here again pointer option. Then you'll find on the bottom hide pointer while typing. Again uncheck this one and select apply and select here OK. Then close your control panel and check whether the problem is solved or not. So these are the solution on how you can fix a cursor freezes, jumps or disappears in Windows operating system. And I hope this video helped you to solve your problem. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.